Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and simple guide on how to add your favorite GIFs to Instagram. Whether you're looking to spice up your chats or just want to express yourself with some animated flair, this updated method will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the newest features. Once you're in, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Now that you're in your messages, choose any chat you want to open. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat, whatever suits your mood. Once you've selected a chat, look for the sticker icon at the bottom of the message box. It's usually represented by a smiley face or a square with a smile inside. After tapping on the sticker icon, you'll see various options, including a section for GIFs. Here's where the fun begins. Scroll through the GIFs available or use the search bar to find something specific that captures your feelings perfectly. When you find that perfect GIF you want to add to your favorites, simply click and hold on it. A menu will pop up, giving you options. Look for the option that says Favorite and tap on it. This action will save that GIF to your favorites, making it easy to access later whenever you want to use it again. And there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF to your favorites on Instagram. Now, whenever you want to share some animated fun in your chats, just tap on the sticker icon again. Head over to your favorites and select the GIF you love. Remember, adding GIFs can make your conversations more lively and engaging. So go ahead and express yourself with those animated images. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy chatting on Instagram.